Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn on the flashlight on the iPad Pro 1st generation. Open the control center. If you don't see the torch icon, you need to add it. Open Settings, tap Control Center, scroll down and find the torch option. Click the green plus button and it will be added to the included controls. Now open Control Center and tap the torch icon to turn it on. The flashlight is now activated. To turn it off, open Control Center and tap the torch icon again. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.